What's up, guys? Down here on the Brandywine, I'm gonna do some Whopper Plopping and Ned Rig smallmouth fishing today. So, rained a lot yesterday. It's a lot higher than it was past couple days, but should still be pretty good. There we go. Oh, you spit it. Damn. There we go. Came back for it. He missed it the first time. It's a nice smallmouth. Oh, that's a chunky one. Jesus. Stay out of them rocks. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh. There you go. Oh, stay out of them rocks. Come on. Come on. Dude, I can't even reel on this guy. Stay down, stay down, stay down. There you go. I have to come over to you, buddy. There you go. Just going right into the shallows. Oh, it's a beautiful smallmouth. You can stay right there, dude. No, dude, no. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Oh, baby. That is what we're talking about, man. On the Whopper Plopper, he missed it the first time. Oh, how did you get yourself hooked? There you go. That is a gorgeous Brandywine River smallmouth. Wow. He choked it too. I'm going to get a quick picture with him and we will let him go. We don't like to keep him out too long, but holy smokes. It's fantastic. One more good look at that smallmouth. I am all the way zoomed out. Such a beautiful fish. You're good to go, man. Oh, that was fucking awesome. Cool deal. Cool deal. Let's get that Whopper Plopper back out there. That's definitely my biggest smallmouth of the year right there. There's no more exciting way than to catch them on a Whopper Plopper. I'll show you guys real quick. In case you haven't seen it, I'm sure you have by now. This is a, what, 90 series? The 90F Whopper Plopper. Got this one, it's more of a chartreuse color. It's kind of like a bluegill, has the orange bottom. A lot of blue. You gotta think they see the bottom of this more than they see the sides and the top. So, oh, that didn't happen. So when I was buying it, I was looking for something that was a little more colorful. A lot of the ones are clear. They don't really look that great. They don't have too much detail on them. The 110 series, I believe, is the like middle-sized one. It's a little big for a lot of the water that I fish down here. So I like this one a lot more. I feel like the fish can actually get it in their mouth. And that's how you can catch a lot of big fish down here. Oh, thank God. Oh my God, that thing just hammered it. I hope that looks good on the GoPro because holy cow. Oh, we just smacked it. I don't think it's as big as the one earlier, but man. No, it's definitely not as big as the one earlier. Holy shit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He's a strong fish. Right on over. Dude, he absolute. Oh man. Well, we had you hooked it. Okay, relax, relax, relax. All right, this is the scary part. I do have pliers. I might have to use some pliers on him. He whiffed on it. No, I think we're okay. There you go. This little dude made all that noise. Not a bad fish at all, but you look at the size of the Whopper Plopper compared to him. These fish are so freaking aggressive. And look at it, like it's half the size of them. Another good fish. Set him right on in and off he goes. God, fishing the Whopper is just so much fun. So much fun. Alright. Oh, there we go. Look at that. This thing is so small and it hit the Whopper Plopper on the first cast. Whopper Plopper is probably as long as this fish. He's fighting pretty good. He's probably hooked all over the place. Look at that. What a beautiful smallmouth. Oh, relax. This is where it's no fun. There you go. No shaking. Just relax, dude. I'm about to get the pliers for you. Yeah, these poor fish, man. The smaller fish that try to eat this thing, they just catch so many hooks, but nice little smallmouth on the Whopper Plopper. Got him in the fin a little bit, but just swam right on off. So cool deal. That was the first cast with the Whopper Plopper on this spot. Try to get somewhere where there's a little less current. There we go. Little guy. You just see him come out of the shadow. I don't want to get him in here before he hooks himself any worse. Look at you, dude. There we go. Woo! Sharp gill plates, man. Okay, so I was just about to leave for the day. I don't know how well you guys can see. I got my really small lens on this. Can't tell if it's a water moccasin or what, but it just caught a catfish. Look at that. I have my tiny lens on. I don't know how that's going to look, but he's got a catfish in his mouth. If anybody knows what kind of snake that is, let me know. I literally walked right over top of it when I was leaving and had no clue. But there he goes. He's going to go to another bank, and I didn't really mean to disturb him or anything, but that's just such a crazy shot. But here's where we were at today. The nicer camera. The audio is going to sound like shit, but such a pretty stretch of the Brandywine. So I'm excited to come back in the morning and shoot another video for you guys. See how it turns out. So have a good night.